Gonna make my little guy some asparagus today. Asparagus, really good green vegetable, high in vitamin B6, B12, a lot of folate, antioxidants. Asparagus is a little fibrous, so it's definitely gonna have to be pureed. You wanna take each asparagus, you don't want the bottom part here. That's very tough. So each asparagus has a breaking point, so just take it, discard this. We wanna keep that. Just give this a quick cut. And add it to our steamer pot. This also tastes good roasted with some good olive oil or avocado oil. It's a good healthy fat for your baby as well. Steam that until it's nice and soft. These are nice and soft. Only take a few minutes. You want to make sure this is really pureed well, because again, asparagus is pretty fibrous. So my little guy doesn't have any teeth yet. So I'll probably do this in 2 batches. If it's a little too thin, I could add some more asparagus after I puree it, but it'll thicken up a little bit as it cools. Keep in the fridge for a few days. You could freeze these, they'll last for a few months.